Do you think living in Germany is complicated? You're not alone. Germany ranks as one of the most difficult countries to settle in. The biggest challenge for expatriates is handling their own investments and insurance. But while taking care of your personal finances online has never been easier, handling it without understanding how it works is a recipe for disaster. That's why I am here to show you how it works, whether you already took care about your financial situation or think about doing it, starting from the very basics. And if you wonder who I am Axel, the guy who founded PerFinEx. I will help you understand finance and, most importantly, your personal financial situation here in Germany, so you know how money works and how it can work for you. I make finance easy to understand, non-threatening, and I try really hard to make it fun. Together, we will make sure your personal finances are everything you want them to be. Set yourself up for financial success and schedule your free meeting now.